What if the answer to sustainable fat loss, mental sharpness, and boundless energy had nothing to do with calorie counting or endless workouts? What if it all started with teaching your body to burn fat for fuel? Ketosis is a natural metabolic state where your body shifts from burning glucose, sugar, to burning fat, producing molecules called ketones. These ketones serve as a clean, efficient energy source for both body and brain. The ketogenic diet was originally designed for therapeutic use in epilepsy, but has since become a powerful tool for fat loss, mental performance, and metabolic health. The road to ketosis, however, can be confusing for beginners. With the right strategy, though, you can get into ketosis quickly and effectively, often in just a few days. The first step is to drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake. This means eliminating sugary foods, bread, pasta, rice, and even high-carb fruits. When you limit carbs to 20 to 50 grams per day, your glycogen stores deplete and the body begins to turn to fat as its primary fuel source. Intermittent fasting can significantly accelerate this process. By narrowing your eating window, such as only eating between noon and 8 p.m., you reduce insulin levels and force your body to rely on stored fat. Fasting also boosts ketone production, especially during the first few days of carb restriction. Fat is your ally, not your enemy. During this transition, it's critical to increase your intake of healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, coconut oil, and fatty fish should become staples. Fat provides long-lasting energy and helps you feel full, reducing the temptation to snack. Equally important is protein. Too much can kick you out of ketosis, while too little may result in muscle loss. Aim for moderate intake from clean sources like eggs, grass-fed meat, poultry, and plant-based options if desired. One of the most overlooked aspects of entering ketosis is hydration and electrolytes. As insulin levels drop, your body flushes out water and vital minerals. To prevent fatigue, headaches, and irritability, common symptoms of the keto flu: increase your water intake and supplement with sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Bone broth, leafy greens, and mineral-rich salts can be excellent sources. Exercise, especially high-intensity or resistance training, can also help deplete glycogen stores and stimulate ketone production. Even daily brisk walking can support this metabolic transition. If you're looking to enhance the process, exogenous ketones offer a supplemental approach. They can provide quick energy, curb hunger, and elevate blood ketone levels. However, they should never replace a well-structured diet. Patience and consistency are key. While some people reach ketosis in 2 to 3 days, others may need a week. The most important thing is to stay committed to the process. Once you're in ketosis, the benefits can be extraordinary: sustained energy, improved focus, reduced cravings, and a renewed sense of control over your health. Are you ready to shift your metabolism and unlock the fat-burning potential of your body?